10. And coming from the elevator and the stair access. Boom, 10396. And then not too far off, 10384. Right, here we go. All right, here we go, folks. We are in 10384, interior room. So for those that are like me and want to know what their interior room looks like and how small it is, here we go. So I'm going to show you, I got the king size version and also we got a twin bed version. So I'll show you both, but it'll get the job done. For people that are usually out on the Lido in the ship, this shouldn't matter. For those that like to chill in, still, you know, you still can make the space. Let's see what happens when we take these down though. Bang, surprise, look at that. That works, not bad. So king size bed. Got some twin beds that are bunk beds at the top. Got a decent sized TV, movies and everything set. Got the fridge. You know, we have to have our drinks in there. Little ledge, probably keep our cups and everything on. And then another desk to get ready with. This right here holds storage, so you can pull this out, set that up as well. I believe, let me see here. You can also use it, yeah. If you want to use it as a tray, you can do that as well too. So have your drinks, food in the bed. This ship, being this is one of our first time being on a newer one, this ship has a lot more ports than what we're used to. If you look at my old videos, you'll see it's like one port, like plug in, one USB, if there was a USB. This has 3 and 4 USB, so I still brought mine, but still good. Carnival ready. The guts in check. The guts with it. This was the light switch to turn off the lights, so there's that. All right, so let's see what we got here, which we know is the closet, but let's see. Plenty of hangers. We'll be putting our stuff up, hanging our stuff up. Pillows, some shelves, which is cool because we can put our kicks down here. Got your safe, and then even more stuff that you want to put in the rack there. I love it. One thing that was different, and it's cool because they made more space, is they took the life jackets out of the room, and now you have to get them at the muster if there's an emergency. So,
hey,
oh yeah, come on in.
Oh, that's a nice size bed.
All right, so second closet, plenty of hangers on this deck. You got some more shelves. Here's the mirror. You want to check out your fit. And again, I was saying something that's different. They don't keep the life vest in the closets no more. So more space in the closet because your life vest you get at the muster station. If there was an emergency, they'll hand it out there. So that's dope. All right, then lastly, boom, the commode, the restroom. Nothing special, but you always got showed off, right? You gotta know what you're getting yourself into. TP, tissue boxes, that's what I need. The algae's been going crazy. Got the mirror, faucet, and then, let me get up in here. Got your, oh, look how it turns. This is interesting. So I was like, all right, this shower door is gonna hit this right here, but they thought it out. Boom, opens up just right. I'm glad I got a shower door now instead of having those curtains. So that's what's up. That's what's up. So one thing that I did notice is it's kind of dirty in here. We got stains all over the floor. If you look at some of the sheets, got stains on the sheets. This bed had like a lot of, I don't know if it's picking it up or not, but like a lot of yellow tinge to it. And some stains that was on this covers too. So not the best. We were using the disinfectant wipes and it was picking up a whole bunch of stuff off the counter, which I don't know. Does that happen, or should it have been cleaned a little bit more thoroughly? Maybe that's the case, but not the cleanest one we've been in. The newest, but not the cleanest. All right, so 10384. That's the room. Gets the job done. It's not big, but it's enough room to sleep, chill, and to get back out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you the other interior room because apparently that one's bigger. So we'll see how that looks. All right.
Yeah, I went to a couple. Sorry.
All right, so this is room 10396. Boom, look at that. 10396. So this one has one twin bed at the top. And we did the two beds at the bottom, not the king size. But the space is in the desk area here. You got the TV, nice size TV. Got the shelves.
Right there.
Mini fridge is still there. Some drawers. They got drawers in there. I don't think we have drawers. Oh, we got drawers in ours. We got the storage again, the cube. Again, ample space when it comes to charging that phone. Yeah, closet.
Bro, they call me in a circle and be like this. I would do my this is everything.
And there goes the
I want like that stupid.
there goes the night lights. Night lights. USB.
No, it's not free.
Where's my videos?
And the bathroom. Similar bathroom.
Remote?
And then boom. Moving it all up. So you know, there ain't nothing different with that there. So again, 10396, located next to
The best room here.
the elevator. All right, so if you kind of notice, I kind of laid in the bed already, but there's a difference of how it's made, or how the bed's been made up, how the sheets look, all of that. And that's because either one or two things. One, we, the guy that I talked to that said that the guy who takes care of our stateroom will take care of us when we meet him. He came in and took care of everything. Or two, they cleaned it up. They cleaned the room after the fact. So it's hard to tell. I don't know if they came in and start putting stuff together after the fact that we checked in, or if it's because I mentioned something. But a lot better. The sheets, the covers. Everything looks a lot better now. Besides the, gotta talk about these stains, but a lot better than before. So feel better about it, can relax and rest a little bit easier now. But no time to rest because now we gotta go to the Cellaway party.